I come to school at 8 a.m. I come to school at 8 a.m. I came to school late yesterday. I came to school late yesterday. I eat lunch at noon. I eat lunch at noon. I ate lunch at a restaurant yesterday. I ate lunch at a restaurant yesterday. I see my neighbor every morning. I see my neighbor every morning. I saw my neighbor last night. I saw my neighbor last night. I drink coffee in the morning. I drink coffee in the morning. I drank coffee after dinner yesterday. I drank coffee after dinner yesterday. I take a shower every evening. I take a shower every evening. I took a shower early yesterday. I took a shower early yesterday. I go to the gym on Mondays. I go to the gym on Mondays. I went to the gym last Monday. I went to the gym last Monday. I get home at 5:30. I get home at 5:30. I got home very late yesterday. I got home very late yesterday. I make my bed every day. I make my bed every day. I made my bed this morning. I made my bed this morning. I do my exercises at night. I do my exercises at night. I did my exercises yesterday. I did my exercises yesterday. I have English class today. I have English class today. I had English class yesterday. I had English class yesterday. I buy snacks after school. I buy snacks after school.
I bought snacks yesterday. I bought snacks yesterday.
I feel happy today. I feel happy today. I felt tired yesterday. I felt tired yesterday. I run in the morning. I run in the morning. I ran in the morning yesterday. I ran in the morning yesterday. I give my sister a hug every day. I give my sister a hug every day. I gave my sister a hug yesterday. I gave my sister a hug yesterday. I sleep 8 hours every night. I sleep 8 hours every night. I slept only 6 hours last night. I slept only 6 hours last night.
I drive to work every day. I drive to work every day.
I drove to work yesterday. I drove to work yesterday.
I bring my notebook to class. I bring my notebook to class. I brought my notebook yesterday. I brought my notebook yesterday.
I begin work at 9 a.m. I begin work at 9 a.m.
I began work early yesterday. I began work early yesterday. I stand near the door. I stand near the door. I stood near the door yesterday. I stood near the door yesterday. I hear the birds every morning. I hear the birds every morning. I heard the birds yesterday. I heard the birds yesterday. I think about my family every day. I think about my family every day. I thought about my family yesterday. I thought about my family yesterday. I meet my friends on Fridays. I meet my friends on Fridays. I met my friends last Friday. I met my friends last Friday. I leave the house at 7:30. I leave the house at 7:30. I left the house late yesterday. I left the house late yesterday. I sit near my friend in class. I sit near my friend in class. I sat near my friend yesterday. I sat near my friend yesterday.
Let's replay! Let's replay! Hi everyone, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Click the button and hit the bell.